Sunbird Hill is well known for running the village bird clubs in the Bigodi area, and we so far have 5 village bird clubs that are running every Sunday morning. We have one, the oldest, which was started 5 or 6 years back. It inspired every other village bird clubs in the area. We don't have a classroom setting for the village bird clubs. We inspire them in the natural setting. So we go out in the village, in the swamps, in the forests around, teaching them about plants, birds, any other wildlife laws. We buy books for birds, we buy binoculars and we give them to the mentors, and that keeps the village bird club running. Of recent, we gave them caps branded on village bird clubs, an African bird club on the sides. So that one is a very good feeling to them. Using a modest funding from African Bird Club, we take them to other places. We have taken them to the crater lakes. They have seen water birds. They have seen the crater lakes themselves. So it's another feeling for them. These are the next conservationists. If we inspire them to love wildlife, then they will not go hunting. They are no longer throwing plastics, because this is what is in their patch. We cannot say we change the whole world, but if we can change the attitudes of these young ones, then better that way.